Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
Not very well.
What's wrong?
I'm feeling sad.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you.
Do you want to talk about it?
Yes, a little.
I'm listening.
I've had a bad week.
Oh, really? What happened?
Things didn't go the way I wanted.
I understand.
I feel tired and upset.
It's okay to feel that way.
Sometimes I just want to stay in bed.
That's okay. But don't forget to take care of yourself.
I'll try.
You're a strong person.
Thank you. That means a lot.
And remember, you're not alone.
Thanks. I'm happy you're here.
Of course, friends help each other.
You're right.
How about going for a walk later?
That sounds nice.
Great. Maybe it will help you feel better.
I think so.
One step at a time.
Thanks, Emma.
Anytime.